Hey guys, welcome to Ayana's DIY Corner, where I share DIYs with you from home decor to closet looks. You want to get your hands on some cardboard. It could either be this or from a box. Marker, small plate, glue gun, glue sticks, wooden sticks, gems, spray paint, crafting scissors, and old CDs. The first step, you would want to fill a bowl with hot water that's big enough to hold all the CDs you plan to use for your projects. What this does is make these CDs a bit flexible and easier to cut when you need to create your reflective pieces. While my CDs are soaking, I'm going to take my plate and my cardboard and create two circular pieces. Now I'm using a small plate because it's the ideal size for the piece that I want to create. You can use whatever size you wish for your project. Next, prep the sticks for spray painting. I like to make sure that the sticks are all standing upright because it helps with coverage with the spray paint. It also helps when it's time for it to dry. As you can see, I'm using a styrofoam block and cups to ensure that the sticks stay upright. Now we are ready for spraying. It's time to work on the CDs. Now, I left them soaking for about 10-15 minutes while I was doing the other aspects of the project. Now that I'm ready for it, I'm going to draw different size circles on them to cut them out and place them to complete my project. I'm using two different sizes here. For the bigger size, I actually took the cover off of my rubbing alcohol bottle, and for the smaller size, I took that cover off of my travel sized body spray. And that's how I got the two sizes that I wanted for my project. All you're gonna do is just trace the circles onto the CDs and cut them out. Here's another tip. When it's time to glue the sticks in place to create the design you want, I find it so much easier when you have a grid. So I'm simply going to take my ruler and draw out a grid that'll basically, it's going to be like a guide for where you want to place your sticks. Before you start gluing your sticks in place, just play around and see how you want your design or pattern to be. This would help so you're not all over the place on your project. Here's a tip for if you want to ensure certain stick lengths are the same on your design. So what you can do is mark off where exactly you want these sticks to stop when you're placing them onto the cardboard. Once you do it for one, you can use that and mark off all the others that you want that particular length throughout, just like what you see I'm doing here. So this is how my design looks after gluing everything in place. For the second circle cutout, instead of using circular pieces to create that reflective surface, I decided to use the metallic Bristol board to give me that nice mirrored look at the top of the circle. Not only is this less time consuming, it just looks flawless. Now that the metallic piece is stuck onto my second circular cutout, it's time for me to glue that onto the main project piece. With your project 98% complete, it's time to add your little CD circle cutouts onto your project. Now, you don't necessarily have to do the pattern that I'm doing here. You can just do whatever you wish, whatever pattern you want to use, whatever pattern you want to go for, you go ahead and get that done. Once you have all your CD circle pieces stuck on there, you can go in with your rhinestones and just add that little extra oomph to your project. So there it is, guys, an inexpensive wall decor DIY project that you can do to spruce up any area of your home. I hope this video was helpful, and until next time, do so.